Guys, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. This actually works, guys, and it is super insane. So yo, today I'm going to show you guys how to get free xHamster tokens 2025. So let's open up the app, and as you can see, 1,260. So I'm going to turn on unlimited, and let's see if it goes up, and hopefully it does. So we're going to check it out. So let's see what goes on. And it's adding the tokens because this is the mod, obviously. So let's see what we get. And bang, it says 999 tokens were activated. Well, not for me, but it might go up. So let's, oh, look at that. 170, 180, dang. So I'm going to show you guys how to get this xHamster mod. Unlimited tokens, guys, today, right now. So all we have to do is go to matrixmods.com. Matrix Mods. This is a modded website, guys. So once you're there, go to the search bar, type in xHamster, and as you can see, it comes up. This is obviously the mod, so go ahead and press download, and now it's just going to download. So just give it a second for this to load. It shouldn't take that long. And then all we have to do at the end is this verification step. It's really easy. You just have to download 2 apps and follow the instructions. It's pretty basic. So as you can see, it says additional files are required. So what we need to do, guys, is download 2 of these apps and follow the instructions. So for instance, Family Island says reach level 11, so I could do that. Then Matrix Underdog Fantasy says down and run for 30 seconds, so I could do that. So just make sure you guys download 2 of the apps. The games are usually pretty easy, and then you'll have unlimited xHamster tokens. So if you guys are poor on xHamster, which most people do not want to shell out hundreds of dollars for tokens, then be sure to try out this method because it's super cool. And I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, definitely try this site because it is updated every single day with new security features to prevent it from being shut down.